Welcome to Speak With Us.
Welcome back to Speak With Us. I am Sara. Today, we have a mission to save your day. Listener, do you feel busy all the time?
I am Ali, and I am the king of busy. Listen to my phone, Sara. It never stops. To listener, do you check your phone 100 times a day? Yes or no?
We all do, Ali. But to have a perfect day, we need a word, a very short word. No. Repeat it with me. No.
No? But that is rude, Sara. I want to be nice to people. To listener, is it rude to say no? What do you think?
Not if you say it politely. First, we need a to-do list. Practice this word, to-do list.
Again, to-do list. Great. Now let us write 1. Eat breakfast. 2. Study English. To listener, what is number 3 on your list?
I heard exercise and work. Excellent. Now, Ali, imagine I am your friend. I say, Ali, let's play video games for 5 hours.
Oh, I love video games. Wait, I have English study on my list. To listener, help me. Hit the like button right now if you are a study star.
Good, Ali. Now say no politely. Say, I would love to, but I am busy. Try it. I would love to, but I am busy.
Wow, you sound very professional. Whisper, Sara, I want to learn more secrets. To listener, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any episode.
Ali, here's the value. Your time is your life. When you say yes to a distraction, you say no to your dream. To listener, repeat, my time is my life.
That is deep. To listener, what is the biggest distraction in your day? Facebook, TV? Write it in the comments in English.
Now, let us do a challenge, a role play. I will ask you things and you must say no politely. Ready, listener? Situation 1. Can you help me clean the house for 3 hours? Situation 2. Do you want to watch a very long movie now? Situation 3. Can I borrow your phone for the whole day?
100 out of 100. To listener, say this with me. I am in control of my day.
Perfect. Now, Ali, what happens when we finish our list?
We celebrate. To listener, if you finish your to-do list, what is your reward? Pizza, chocolate?
I like chocolate. Now, listener, repeat this important sentence. I respect my time.
I respect my time. You sound amazing. You are a time hero now.
Remember this wisdom. To say yes to your goals, you must say no to distractions.
Say yes to goals, say no to distractions. To listener, whisper that with me. No distractions.
One more time with a smile. No distractions.
Yes, if you reached this part of the video, you are a champion. Tell us in the comments, I am a champion.
You did amazing work today. We learned distractions, priority, and the power of no.
You are a daily life hero. To listener, don't forget to check the comments to see my reply. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Respect your time and enjoy your day.